Hello, I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving break. Mine was okay. I actually got sick and I didn't even go to Thanksgiving dinner because I was sick in bed, which is why I'm not at school. So I'm going to explain to you what you guys are going to be doing. You should be on Schoology. I know this says period two, but this applies to all of my beginning art classes. So that's period two, period three, period four, and period five. Okay, you'll go to materials and you'll look here at the top. I put it at the top for summative 1 point perspective and it follow directions. So this is the 1 point perspective drawing. Unfortunately, I'm not able to be here to continue with showing you how to do it, but that's okay because if you open up this assignment and you look down here, there are a lot of videos available for you to look at. There's a different room, train tracks, and you can see it's got, you know, trees and a house. There's a couple of cityscapes, another room, a landscape, another cityscape. We've got buildings looking from the ground up and looking from up down. You don't have to do all of them, just choose one. You can spend some time looking at them all to choose one. So let's look at the requirements. First of all, you need at least 4 items or groups of objects that are in your drawing. So it would be a house, maybe a set of trees, a billboard, or two buildings would be 2, a row of trees, a fence would be 1, the road would be 1, the little dashes in the road that should get smaller and smaller, that would be another element. So you need at least 4 on there. Okay, when you're drawing, please use a ruler. Now, I left the room in a mess, so hopefully whoever's the sub will be able to find the rulers, but if not, you all know how to make one. Just get a piece of paper. You can get one from your notebook, tear it out of your sketchbook, fold it up, use it as a straight edge or the side of a book, something. Okay? So use a ruler, a straight edge, make your drawings neat, please. Paper should be available. I'll let the sub know. It's 9 by 12 drawing paper. There was a pile of it on the table next to my desk, and there's that table that's next to my desk inside the cabinet. There's a cabinet right behind that, should have packages of those papers. So it's a little bit bigger than a regular piece of printing paper, and it's drawing paper. So you can let the sub know that. You can show the sub this video, and I will also give them the instructions. Okay. Don't worry about coloring it. You will be using colored pencils and only colored pencils, not marker or anything else, only colored pencils and to color and shade. And things need to be shaded. So use the entire paper. The entire paper must be colored. And incorporate shading techniques. This is important. You want to consider the light source and shadows. So we want to see highlights, core shadows, and cast shadows. This is a summative drawing. It's pulling together everything that you've learned so far. And so I want to see that. You can use hatching or cross hatching or scumbling, or you can just use shading with the colored pencils. I wouldn't do too much shading with the regular pencil, just draw it out with the regular pencil, and you can do your shading with the colored pencils. And when I get back, I will run through a quick list of techniques with the colored pencils. So I wouldn't suggest getting started with those until I can check your drawing and make any corrections. And then, of course, when it's finished, you'll take an excellent picture and post it on Schoology. What I don't see here is you will also glue it onto a piece of construction paper like we've been doing. And like I said, there's all these links. This is the rubric. You can look at that. This is worth 45 points, so it's a significant assignment. And this also is a link. This is a great resource with info and more videos. Not only that, but some really simple tutorials in drawing in 1 point perspective. Okay, so be good. Be good for the sub. I'm expecting a great report. I hopefully will be back on Tuesday, but I want to see that everyone has done some work. In fact, I'm going to have you take a picture and submit in this video the work that you did today so you can get credit so that I can see that you have done something. Okay, get to work. Thank you.